Punta tayo sa models. So, wala tayo ng class to do. Tapos, inherit tayo sa models.model. So, yung models from Django yan. So, nag-inherit siya sa Django. And then, so sa ating to-do app, meron tayong title, description, status, tapos meron tayong owner. So, title muna. Title is equal to models.charfield. Okay? So, max length. Lagyan na lang natin ng 255. Tapos, yung description. So, models.textfield. Blank. True. Okay. And then, yung status natin, kung complete, started, not started, in progress, or completed. So, ito yun. So, status is equal to models dot. Gamitin natin is charfield. Tapos, hindi pala charfield dahil anong gagamitin natin? Integer field. Integer field pala dahil number yung gagamitin natin eh. Para kung yung value is 1, so not started, and then 2, in progress, and then 3, so completed na siya. So, gawa muna tayo ng tuple dito. So, status choices is equal to, or stats na lang. Stats choices is equal to tuple. Yan. So, 1, not started. Kopya lang natin. 2 times. Tapos, yung 2, lagay natin in progress. And then sa 3, completed na siya. So, pag yung value ng status natin is 1, so not started, and then 2, in progress, and then 3, so completed. So, default natin is 1. So, every time mag-create yung user ng to-do or task, yung value is 1. So, choices is equal to stats choices. Okay? Tapos, yung owner, since meron tayong user, pwede silang maka-sign up, maka-login, maka-log out sa ating to-do app. So, maglagay tayo ng owner is equal to models.foreign-key. Sino ba yung foreign key natin? So, mag-import tayo sa auth. So, check natin yung settings. Meron na yung Django natin na auth. So, ito yung gagamitin natin, Django contrib auth. Models from Django.contrib.auth. Import natin yung user model. Get user model. Okay. And then, lagay tayo dito, user is equal to get user model. Yan. So, kung si admin gagawa ng to-do, so mapupunta, meron ng yung to-do, meron ng owner. So, kung later on, mag-get tayo ng data, so, from a specific user. So, ito yung gagamitin natin, yung owner. So, lagay natin yung user. Tapos, on delete models dot cascade. Tapos, related name. Lagay na lang natin to-dos. Okay? And then, maglagay din tayo ng function dito, str, para mag-return ng ating title. Para pag view natin sa admin, makita natin yung title ng todo. So, i-add natin siya sa ating admin. From .models import to do. So, to do. Okay, to do. Views, models, to do. Okay. Site. Ano pala natin yung to do natin? To do. Malaki yung do. Okay. So, class to do. Pinalaki ko yung to do. Pwede lang din maliit. So, to do. And then, lagay dyan, to do. Okay. Tapos, register natin, admin .site.registers para makita natin siya sa admin. So, to do. Okay. And then, Python manage.py make migrations. And then, Python manage.py migrate para ma-add na siya sa ating database. Okay. So, sa next video naman, mag-add tayo ng data sa database using admin. Okay, see ya.